They're racing. Big, Bad and Brown didn't get the best of the starts, and neither did Slinky's Fortune. First down, Toro out to the front early by 3/4 of a length to Dr. Drip second. Just an Idea in third, then a gap of 1.5 lengths to Big, Bad and Brown, and finally Slinky's Fortune 7 lengths off the pace. They're going a good clip as they begin to turn into the home straight. Looming up on the outside, Dr. Drip. First down, Toro on the inside. So one of the protagonists in the wagering is being beaten by a complete outsider as they come down towards the final furlong. Dr. Drip has the lead by 2.5 lengths. First down, Toro has no more. Flying at the death on the outside is Slinky's Fortune. Slinky's Fortune trying to close down Dr. Drip, and Slinky's Fortune goes streaking by to win. In second place, Dr. Drip staying on for third. Big, Bad and Brown, and then in fourth, First down, Toro.